Peach Trifle, a sweet slice of English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of desserts to explore a term that's as sweet as it sounds. Peach Trifle. Whether you're a food enthusiast or a language learner, understanding this phrase enriches your English vocabulary and perhaps your taste buds too. Let's start with the basics. A trifle is a classic British dessert made with layers of sponge cake, custard, fruit, jelly, and whipped cream. The term trifle has been part of the English language since the 16th century, originally meaning a thing of little importance or value. In the culinary sense, however, it's anything but trivial. Now, add the word peach to trifle, and you get a specific variation of this dessert. Peaches are a succulent stone fruit known for their fuzzy skin and sweet flesh. When they're layered into a trifle, they add a juicy, fragrant twist to every bite. A peach trifle isn't just a treat, it's a part of cultural traditions. In England, trifles are often served during celebrations like Christmas or at garden parties. This particular dessert, with its bright, summery vibe, can also bring a touch of English elegance to your table. Interestingly, trifle can also be a verb meaning to treat something without seriousness or respect. It's not common to use peach trifle metaphorically, but who knows? In the rich tapestry of English, there's always room for playful language. Thank you for joining me on this sweet linguistic journey. I hope this video has been as delightful as imagining a spoonful of peach trifle. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning and bon appetit!